Hurry up. Picture. Video. Picture and video na lang. Picture muna. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, smile. Video. Video mo. Turn it on. Turn on the lights as video. Tapos para i-screenshot na lang natin. Video? Okay. Yan, ang ganda. Yan. Yan. Video lang. Steady mo. I-video mo na steady lang. Layo mo ng konti. Bakit ka na magtulula? Bakit ka na tutulala? Artista ka? Oh, acting. Ready? Go. Kunyari, nagulat ka. Ang galing! Kunyari. Hindi, kunyari, ilayo mo ng konti. Para may picture na maganda. Yan. Kunyari, natatakot ka. Kunyari, may multo. Ang galing. Kunyari, natatai ka, tamatay ka na. Ayusin mo yung video. Lalaki yung ilong mo dahil natatay ka na. You need to take a shit. Okay, he's doing acting. He's doing a role play.
Look at him.
Yeah, I know. Wait.
He's so scared.
Pretend he's doing a audition for a movie. Okay, pretend you saw a ghost, tapos natakot ka, may mga zombie. Go.
No, wait, I know what he's gonna do.
Wait.
Wait, I want to try something. Please help me, Daddy. Chubby Cheeks power.
Okay, let's do.
Wait. Cute power. Activate. Cute power. Activate.
Okay, let me do it now. 1, 2, 3.
Use it as a smell. Angry.
Wait, shh. Listen,
Angry.
be quiet first. Be quiet first. 1, 2, 3, mannequin challenge.
He's moving his eyes.
Oh, mannequin challenge. Ang galing. 1, 2, 3. You say, kunyari, ano, na...
Don't do that to him.
Kunyari, ano. Yan. Wait, ha. Kunyari, may nakita ka dung, ano, may kaaway ka kunyari doon, tapos magagalit ka sa kanya. Take a video. O, umutot. Kunyari, nag-aalala ka. You're worried na. Wala na akong milk. I need more milk.
He moved his arm. Daddy, give me milk. Daddy, give me milk. Nathan.
Let's smile. Ayos mo yung video kasi malayo-layo para maganda yung screenshot ko.
Daddy, I took a poop. I pooped my pants, Daddy. I pooped my pants.
Oh, smiling siya, oh.
I pooped my...
Nate. Sabi mo kay Nate, be a man. Start eating other chicken. Be a man.
Wait, I'm gonna do something first. I pooped my pants, Daddy. Daddy, give me milk. I'm scratching.
Tell Nathan. Tell Nate, cuz, be a man. Eat other food. Be a man.
I'm an elf. I'm a magical elf.
Be a motherfucking man, Nate. Be a man. You eat other chicken.
Wait, I want to say something. I don't like you, Grandpa.